Well, hello there. I am Deadpool 26, back with another unboxing. We have March's ZBOX. Due to T-Rex arms and hands, I can't really hold the box up, but our first item in the box. Oh, by the way, this month's theme is invasion. I don't really get this item. Don't really understand it because it's not really invasion alien type thing, but it's still pretty cool. We have a ZBOX exclusive Pennywise figure. He is awesome. Here is the side and the back. It is a ZBOX exclusive. You can only get it from ZBOX. Or I'm sure now they have it up on eBay. Somebody. Which reminds me, I have a Macari account that I am selling stuff that I don't need or have too many of or just don't like from these boxes. So I will put the description up, or the link in the description below. Also, we have a Rick and Morty t-shirt. If you can't really see that, I'm going to throw a picture of that up for you, because I can't really hold it up all that well. Also, for our third item, we have a keychain. It is Jurassic Park. But in like Chinese or some other language other than English. Apparently they made 9,995 of these. So not even 10,000. That's pretty crazy. I wonder why they stopped at 95. They didn't go to the full 10,000. For our last item, we have... What do we have? We have, and got something that's pretty heavy. That's what we got. We have an Aliens bottle opener. It is, har. It is an egg, Alien's egg with a face hugger. Definitely got some weight to it. Pretty good quality. It's their 40th anniversary. Oh, and it's magnetic, so it sticks to your fridge if you still have a fridge that magnets stick to. Anyway, like I said, I am selling some of this stuff on Macari. Link will be in the description below. Also, if you want to help me out so I can get more boxes to do more videos, my PayPal will be in the description below. So I believe that's gonna be it for me. I'll also throw up the link for ZBOX or Zavi, which is the website, in the description below. Thank you and good night.